Forecast with meteorologist Chad Evans. Weather from where you live.
Well, what has changed since 6 o'clock is that the system is speeding up. You can already see the precip approaching from the southwest, almost up to I-70 now, and getting pretty close to our viewing area. And there's a lot more where that came from. Notice all the moisture from our viewing area, which is here, from southern and central Illinois all the way down to Arkansas, all the way down to Texas. And this moisture is all moving off to the northeast, and this will be our snow event in our area. Now, I've looked at some of the observations down here in southern Illinois and Indiana, and it's all rain down here with temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. But if we go to 3D and look at our temperatures, they're running near or just a little below freezing over a good chunk of the area, to 34 at Crawfordsville, 33 at Frankfort. As this precip moves in overnight, it looks like it may start as a brief period of sleet and even a little light freezing rain before it does go over to light snow. Now, we're going to kind of pinpoint this storm over the next several days and take it step by step here. The snow will arrive tonight, certainly after midnight, into tomorrow morning. The heaviest will fall towards later tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening before it begins to taper down tomorrow night. Winds could gust over 30 miles an hour that'll blow the snow around a little bit, even though it's going to be a pretty wet snow. And then another snow system on Monday that bears very close watching as well. There are indications this may be a significant snow as well. Bears a lot of watching, but we'll take these storms one step at a time. Let's focus on the first one. Snow beginning to move in overnight. We'll have snow in the area tomorrow, heaviest of which will be towards late afternoon and evening before the heavier snow starts to pull away tomorrow night. And snowfall totals, this is brand new data that's just come into the Weather Center. You see by 7 a.m. about a tenth of an inch of accumulation, Lafayette, south and southeaster, but then we start to ramp it up during the late morning, early afternoon. There's noon, 1.1 Lafayette, Frankfort, just starting to snow at that time at Rochester and Winnemac, and you see the totals increasing as the heavier snow comes in as the day wears on. Over 3 at 5 Lafayette, Williamsport, pushing 4 at Thorntown, an inch and a half at Winnemac. Again, this is a projection subject to some change, but it gives you an idea. 10 p.m., pushing 5 in Lafayette, over 5 in Frankfort, and you see up towards Monticello, nearly 4. And finally, before it's all said and done, these are the projections, about 5.5 Lafayette, 3.4 in Winnemac, and over 6.5 down towards Thorntown. And here's a better view of this. Monticello points north 2 to 4 inches. That includes Rochester and Kentland. Lafayette area down towards Rushville and Attica about 4 to 6. And finally, Crawfordsville to just south of Frankfort, 6 to 8. Snow very late tonight, becoming breezy down to 27, 33. Snow tomorrow. Windy as well, and finally snow tapers tomorrow night. But then another snow late Monday into Tuesday. That could be significant. The track is in question.